7. Common household hazards that can harm your pets. Did you know that you could be unknowingly harming your beloved pet right in the comfort of your own home? Many everyday items, foods, plants, cleaning products, and even things you use daily can pose serious risks to your furry family members. In this video, we'll guide you through 7 critical sections, each highlighting a list of common household items and hazards that are dangerous to pets. From toxic foods to electrical cords, medications, and seemingly harmless plants, knowing these dangers could save your pet's life. Stay with us because each section contains essential information every responsible pet owner must know to keep their 4-legged friends safe, happy, and healthy. 1. Toxic foods. Chocolate. Chocolate isn't just a sweet treat for humans, it's toxic for pets. Theobromine and caffeine in chocolate can cause vomiting, seizures, heart problems, or even death. Dark and baking chocolate are the most dangerous because they contain higher levels of theobromine. Even a small amount can be deadly, so always keep chocolate out of your pet's reach. If ingestion occurs, contact your vet immediately. Grapes and raisins. Grapes and raisins can trigger acute kidney failure in dogs, even in tiny amounts. Symptoms can appear quickly and include vomiting, lethargy, and decreased appetite. Because the exact toxic substance is unknown, no amount is considered safe. Never feed grapes or raisins to your pets under any circumstances. Onions and garlic. Onions and garlic, whether raw, cooked, or powdered, damage red blood cells and can lead to anemia. Pets may become weak, lethargic, or have difficulty breathing after ingestion. Small amounts over time can also accumulate and cause serious health issues. Avoid giving your pets any foods containing these ingredients. Xylitol. Xylitol is a sugar substitute in gum, candy, and baked goods. In dogs, it can dangerously drop blood sugar and even cause liver failure. Symptoms include vomiting, loss of coordination, and seizures. Cats are less commonly affected, but caution is still necessary. Keep all xylitol-containing products out of your pet's reach. Alcohol. Alcohol, even in small amounts, can cause vomiting, diarrhea, breathing difficulties, and coma in pets. Dogs and cats are far more sensitive than humans, so even a sip is dangerous. Keep alcoholic beverages, mouthwash, and cooking extracts well away from your pets. Immediate veterinary attention is required if ingestion occurs. 2. Household chemicals. Bleach, ammonia, detergents, and disinfectants. These everyday cleaning products are extremely harmful to pets if ingested, and even minor exposure can burn their mouths, throat, and stomach. Fumes from these chemicals can also irritate your pet's lungs, triggering coughing, sneezing, or difficulty breathing. Curious pets may lick floors or counters where spills have occurred, unknowingly ingesting dangerous residues. Accidental contact with eyes or skin can cause redness, irritation, and discomfort. Always store cleaning products in high, secure cabinets or locked closets, and never leave open containers unattended when pets are nearby. Pesticides and rodenticides, rat and mouse poisons are highly toxic and can be fatal even in small amounts. Pets may be drawn to the smell or taste of the bait, not realizing the danger, which can lead to internal bleeding, organ failure, or sudden collapse. Symptoms of poisoning may appear within hours and include vomiting, lethargy, and unusual bleeding. For outdoor use, consider pet-safe alternatives or enclosed bait stations to minimize risk. Always supervise outdoor areas where pets roam and keep all toxic substances completely out of reach. Antifreeze, ethylene glycol. Antifreeze is sweet-smelling and highly attractive to pets, but it is deadly even in tiny amounts. Ingesting antifreeze can cause rapid kidney failure and, if untreated, can be fatal within hours. Early symptoms may include vomiting, staggering, excessive thirst, or urination, but pets can deteriorate quickly. Always clean up spills immediately and use antifreeze with pets safely out of the area. Consider safer, non-toxic alternatives whenever possible and never leave containers exposed. Essential oils. While essential oils may be safe for humans, they can cause serious harm to pets. Oils like tea tree, peppermint, eucalyptus, and citrus can trigger vomiting, tremors, liver failure, or respiratory distress if ingested or applied to the skin. Cats are particularly sensitive because they cannot metabolize these oils properly, and even diffused oils in the air may irritate their lungs. Pets may also be tempted to lick diffusers, leaves, or drops on surfaces. Always use oils cautiously, store them securely, and avoid areas where pets spend most of their time. 3. Medications. Painkillers, ibuprofen, acetaminophen, and naproxen, are some of the most dangerous human medications for pets. Even a single pill can cause severe liver damage, kidney failure, or gastrointestinal bleeding. Pets may accidentally ingest pills left on counters, nightstands, or purses, mistaking them for treats. Signs of poisoning include vomiting, weakness, tremors, or collapse. Always store all medications out of reach and never give human medicine to pets without veterinary guidance. Antidepressants, ADHD, and cold medicines. These medications may seem harmless to us, but they can cause serious complications for pets. Symptoms of ingestion can include seizures, tremors, agitation, irregular heartbeat, or even coma. Pets often access them from purses, drawers, or countertops when left unattended. Prompt veterinary intervention is critical if ingestion occurs. Keeping all medications stored securely and out of sight is the best way to prevent accidents. Vitamins and supplements. Vitamins and supplements, particularly those containing iron, can be toxic if a pet consumes too many. Pets may chew bottles, capsules, or gummies, resulting in vomiting, diarrhea, or organ damage. Symptoms may appear slowly or quickly depending on the substance. Store all supplements in secure cabinets or high shelves. Always double-check labels for ingredients that could harm pets and educate household members about safe storage. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We're on a mission to reach 100,000 subscribers this year, and your support helps us share life-saving information with pet owners everywhere. Comment below with which household item surprised you the most, or share any tips you use to keep your pets safe at home. Your engagement not only helps the channel grow, but could also save another beloved pet from harm. 4. Plants. Lilies. Lilies are one of the deadliest plants for cats, and ingesting even a few petals, leaves, or pollen can trigger kidney failure. Early signs include vomiting, lethargy, and loss of appetite, which can escalate quickly to severe illness if untreated. Dogs are less affected, but may still experience gastrointestinal upset. It's safest to remove lilies from homes with pets or place them in completely inaccessible areas. Always check plant labels before bringing new plants into your home. Pothos, philodendrons, Dieffenbachia. These common houseplants contain toxins that irritate the mouth and digestive tract. Chewing leaves can cause drooling, vomiting, difficulty swallowing, and discomfort. Both cats and dogs are at risk, especially curious pets that explore plants with their mouths. Even dried leaves or plant debris can be harmful if ingested. Consider replacing these plants with pet-safe alternatives or keeping them out of reach. Aloe vera. Aloe is a popular plant for human skincare, but it can cause vomiting and diarrhea if pets chew or ingest it. Even small amounts of the gel or leaves may trigger gastrointestinal upset. Cats and dogs may be tempted to nibble on the plant out of curiosity. To prevent accidents, place aloe in areas pets cannot access or in hanging pots where they can't reach. Always supervise pets around plants with known toxicity. 5. Small objects and household items. Coins, batteries, small toys. Pets may swallow small household items, which can lead to choking, internal injury, or even life-threatening blockages. Batteries are particularly hazardous because they can leak toxic chemicals if ingested. Signs of ingestion may include vomiting, drooling, and lethargy. Always store coins, batteries, and small toys in secure containers. Keep a close eye on pets during playtime, especially young or curious animals. String, yarn, rubber bands, pets, especially cats, are naturally drawn to string-like objects. Swallowing these items can cause serious intestinal blockages, often requiring emergency surgery. Even playful chewing or dragging can turn dangerous if a pet ingests part of the string. Store crafting supplies, yarn, and rubber bands securely when not in use. Supervise pets during play with any string-like toy. Electrical cords. Chewing cords can lead to electric shock, burns, or severe injuries. Pets may be attracted to cords due to teething or boredom. Protect cords with tubing, cord organizers, or hide them behind furniture whenever possible. Never leave pets unattended around exposed electrical cords. Regularly inspect cords for wear or damage that could increase risk. Foil and plastic bags. Chewing or swallowing pieces of foil or plastic can cause choking or suffocation. Cats are particularly curious and may even crawl inside plastic bags. Always store bags safely out of reach and dispose of them immediately after use. Avoid leaving kitchen trash or packaging materials unattended when pets are nearby. Monitor pets around any new objects they could ingest. Stop for a moment and think. Could something in your home that seems harmless actually be putting your beloved pet's life at risk right now? Many of these dangers are hidden in plain sight, and even a small mistake can have serious consequences. By paying attention to the items in each of the sections we cover, you can prevent accidents before they happen. The next sections will reveal more everyday hazards that might shock you, from plants to household appliances. Keep watching, because every tip could save your furry friend's life. 6. Human habits. Smoking and vaping. Nicotine is extremely toxic for pets, and even secondhand smoke can cause health issues. Dogs and cats exposed to nicotine may experience vomiting, tremors, seizures, rapid heartbeat, or breathing difficulties. Pets may also ingest cigarette butts or vaping liquid if left accessible. Keep all tobacco products, e-cigarettes, and vaping liquids securely stored and far from pets. Avoid smoking indoors altogether if you have animals. Perfumes, air fresheners, scented candles. Many fragrances and scented products contain chemicals that can irritate pets' respiratory systems. Ingesting the wax, oils, or sprays can also be toxic. Cats are especially sensitive because they groom themselves frequently and may ingest residues. Opt for pet-safe alternatives whenever possible. Always monitor your pets for coughing, sneezing, or unusual behavior around scented products. Open trash bins. Pets may rummage through trash looking for food scraps or out of curiosity. This can expose them to spoiled food, sharp objects, or toxic items like leftover chocolate or medicines. Ingesting these items may lead to poisoning, choking, or severe gastrointestinal problems. Use bins with secure lids or keep trash in closed cabinets. Supervise pets to prevent scavenging and potential accidents. 7. Household appliances and tools. Space heaters and radiators. Pets can burn themselves if they get too close to hot surfaces. Puppies and kittens are especially vulnerable because they explore with their noses and paws. Provide safe distances, barriers, or protective covers around heaters. Never leave pets unattended near heating equipment and ensure cords cannot be chewed. Always monitor pets during cold months when heaters are in use. Hair dryers and curling irons. These appliances pose risks of burns or electric shock. Curious pets may jump near them while they're hot or try to chew cords. Always unplug tools after use and store them safely in cabinets or drawers. Never leave pets unattended in areas where hairstyling tools are in use. Supervise pets during grooming and keep them at a safe distance. Power tools and lawn equipment, blades, cords, and moving parts are extremely dangerous. Pets can easily injure themselves if they approach tools left on the floor or workbenches. Store all equipment securely in locked cabinets or sheds. Keep pets away from garages, workshops, and yards during maintenance work. Always check that tools are unplugged and stored safely after use. Vacuum cleaners. Loud noises from vacuum cleaners can stress or frighten pets. Stressed pets may run into furniture, walls, or doors, injuring themselves. Create a safe, quiet space where pets can retreat during cleaning. Gradually desensitizing pets to the noise may help reduce fear. Always be aware of your pet's reactions during cleaning sessions. Toaster ovens, stoves, microwaves, Hot surfaces, boiling liquids, and oven doors can burn pets if they jump on counters. Pets are naturally curious and may knock over pots or pans, causing injury. Supervise pets in the kitchen and maintain clear counters. Consider using pet gates or teaching boundaries to prevent accidents. Hot food and liquids should always be handled with pets safely away from the area. Your pets rely on you to keep them safe. By being aware of these 7 common household hazards, you can protect them from preventable accidents and poisoning. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We're aiming for 100,000 subscribers this year, and we can't do it without you. Share this video with fellow pet owners to help keep every furry friend safe. Stay vigilant and keep your pets happy and healthy.